Okay folks, here we have the MP Jet 040. That's about 0.66 cc, made in Czechoslovakia or the Czech Republic. Still made, I think. A Mills type engine, long stroke, slow revving, pushes a big prop, tiny little fuel tank attached, 1 cc maybe. This one is going to be strapped into a tomboy type plane or something, but it's very easy starting, very unfussy. Having said that, it won't start, will it? Let's give it a try. Hang on. Contrapiston still murderously tight, so close to that prop. Why do I always do that? But look, no damage. Excellent little engine, thanks to Bamo Pro. By the way, check out their site on the web. There's a fantastic Para Tiger up there, T3, certain provenance you will know about. Check it out. Great buy. Bye-bye.